Alright, number 4 for our properties is this. It says that 8 plus 0, make a big 0 here, equals what? What does 8 plus 0 equal?
8.
It equals 8. Okay, here's how this works. Make this into a mirror. And I'm doing this so that you remember. Alright, so if we take a mirror, alright, Matt, run up here. Run up here. I want you to look in the mirror. Who do you see?
Me.
Good, alright. Alright, go ahead, Ryan. Run up here. Who's Ryan good to see? We'll see what happens.
Ryan?
Ryan, good job. Okay, so have a seat there. Now, if you're going to have to use your imagination, if I took this mirror and I shined it on that 8 right there, what's it going to see?
The 8.
There's going to be 8 in there. Now, you can't see right now, so you just have to imagine it, don't you? But there really would be is there 8 in there now? So, here's how this works. Write the word mirror right on top of the 0. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Alright. Now underneath it, we're going to write its name. And that's going to help you remember, because you got to know this in high school. This is going to be on every test from now till the end of the year. These things that we're doing. Alright, so here's how it works. First word is additive. And Abby, would you grab the door because there's noise coming out of there. Why is it called additive? This is really tough because I want you to memorize this, make it easy as I can.
Addition.
Because it has a plus sign in it. See that? Plus sign, additive. That's where it comes from. The next word is identity. No. And that's because when the 8 looks in the mirror, who does it see? Itself. So it's its identity. It keeps its identity. So when I add 0 to anything, I still get back what I started with. 8 looks in the mirror, it sees its self. And that's why it's called identity. What's that?
Or when an 8 looks in a mirror, it sees a 0 with the belt.
Yes, that is true. A very tight belt. I would hate to have that belt on. Okay, here is the next one. Put an 8 and put it times and make your 1 look funny, kind of like that. Make your 1 look like that, like on a race car or something. Equals, what does 8 times 1 equal?
8.
Now I'm going to put little things in here like this so that this also is a mirror. Now you guys come up with a name for this one. I'm not going to tell you. You haven't learned it yet, but I'm just going to ask you. What do you think? Yep.
Timesitive.
Timesitive, good try. Multitive, yes.
Multiplicative.
You're close. What's the second word going to be? Wit?
Multiplicative.
Close. What's the second word going to be?
Identity.
Identity. Okay, so write down identity. Leave a space here and copy down the word identity. Identity, who you are. First word is this. Now after I write it, we've got to go way over here. No, you gotta say it. You get to try to say it when I call on you. When I raise your hand. Okay, there's the word. Nobody else said it right last hour. One at a time. Go.
Multiplicative.
No.
Multiplicative.
No.
Multiplicative.
No. Don't say it the same way they are. Okay. Say it differently. Hey, Caleb first. Close. Zach?
Multiplicative.
Good try.
Multiplicative.
Close. Last one.
Multiplicative.
Your mom's going to hear that on the video. Okay. Multiplicative. Multiplicative.
I knew it too.
Alright. My goodness. Hey, you want to swing the camera to like the kid that's answering the question, or like you go ahead and do that. You can zoom right in on him, okay? It's for the
I know that one. Really bad.
Okay, here's the next one. And you'll answer the first part. Number 6 is 5 plus negative 5 equals
0.
0 is correct. Okay, now you guys are going to try to tell me what the name of this one is before I tell you. What do you think the first two words, what's the first word? Go.
Identity.
Nope, first word.
I don't know.
Okay, one more, Whit. That's right, added what? Additive. Not subtract, exact. Additive. Do you know why it's additive? Additive, sorry I left this out. Plus sign. It's addition, that's why it's called additive. Now the last one means the word opposite, but the word they use, inverse.
That's what I said.
Additive inverse says that when I add opposites, Cody is okay, buddy. Additive inverse says that when I add opposites, I'm always going to get what?
Zero.
Zero. Okay, number 7. You get to guess on this in a minute too. 7 says this. Jeffrey.
It's not even one.
Okay, 2/3 times 3/2. Danielle, what's it equal? What's it equal first of all?
1.
Yeah.
This is intense.
Okay, so it's equal to 1. Alright, now the name for it. Who wants to guess the first name?
Oh my god!
I'm not calling on you just because you're so loud. Skylar, go ahead. Not fraction, no. No.
She zoomed in on you,
Go.
Jeffrey.
No. First word, Ryan, then we're going to do it.
Division.
No, first word is, what's this here, guys? So it's multiplicative.
Multiplicative.
Okay, write that
Multiplicative.
again. It's multiplicative because it has a multiplication in it. Alright, now, the second word, multiplicative, inverse, that's right.
Oh, I said it.
Okay, so now's your couple questions, don't write it down, but I would like to know that Jeffrey. Alright. Who can tell me, oops, what the multiplicative inverse is of negative 2/3? What's the multiplicative inverse of negative 2/3? Chloe. Emily.
Oh, I know. It's
Go ahead.
3 over negative 2.
Oh, she never said times.
She didn't have to, I had the times in there already. Okay, does that equal 1, you guys? She's right. Okay, here's a little tougher one. What is a multiplicative inverse of negative 4? Cody.
No, 1 over negative 4?
Is he right?
No.
Well, let's put the times in, and this really is over what? 1, so yeah, you got it. Cause
Oh God.
Alright, that's okay, that's good. You got one right today, Cody.
I got 2 right today.
Oh, good. Alright, number 8. Can you still zoom in? Is this okay to see?
Yeah.
Alright. This one says this. That if you have 9 and you multiply it by 0, you're going to get
0.
okay, and this one, I'm just going to make it very simple. 0, property of, I'm just going to put a big X, and the X in this case stands for multiplication. 0 property multiplication. This says that anytime you multiply by 0, you're going to get what? 0. Okay, last one we're doing, that was number 8. You're going to put number 9 way over here.
Do I get to guess any more identities?
You're going to get to guess in a minute here. Actually, you get to draw on this one. Okay, what I want you to draw is you can, underneath 6 divided by 2 equals, and this is our last one for the video, then we're done. Alright, is you're going to draw 6 ducks. Draw the best ducks you can.
Oh
Okay, draw ducks.
Maybe in the water?
Sure.
Yeah. That's an awful duck. It looks like a boat.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone need to look at Ireland after she's done.
Oh, she's an artist?
She's an artist.
You should look at Danielle. See if there's any tails on them.
Why does she have any tails on her?
Shelby's ducks are awesome.
Look at these
Alright, you have awesome ducks.
Oh, yeah, she does. Look at those ducks. Those are awesome ducks.
There's only got 4. You got 2 more to draw yet. Where are the rest of your ducks? Oh my my goodness, you're still working on the first one. Okay, not so detailed.
Let's see Daniel.
All right, there. You can
Let's
see
see
ducks. There, you zoom in on his ducks.
I can't.
Those are Ryan's ducks.
Oh.
See- Oh my goodness, those are sad ducks.
My ducks are actually pretty good.
Hey, get all 6 ducks drawn. Let's go.
Mr. Hennessy, Daniel's ducks are tails.
There's nothing wrong with that. Okay,
Ryan, ducks have tails.
now, Cody. Hey Chuck, what is 6 divided by 2? If I have 6 ducks and I divide it by 2, what am I doing?
Cut them in half.
No. Hey, hey, stay back there.
You break them into groups.
Groups of 2, okay.
Groups of 2. You got 2 ducks in there.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so what is the answer? 3.
Your mom's gonna watch.
3 groups of 2 ducks. That's each, right? In each group. That's what it really means. Okay, now I want you to draw this one. That's our first problem. So let's put a little A by this. B is our second problem. I would like you to draw for me what 0 divided by 2 would look like. And you're going to use ducks. Okay? Yep. Okay. What does 0 divided by 2 look like if you had to draw it? Who knows what you'd start with? Nothing.
Boom.
We don't have any ducks, do we?
No.
We're supposed to put them in groups of 2. How many groups of 2 can I make if I don't have any ducks? 0. Answer to this one, 0. Alright, so you really can't draw that. It doesn't make much sense. The next one you can. I would like to know.
Oh, it's bees.
Okay. Chuck, settle.
Sorry.
Alright, this time what I want is I want to know what 2 divided by 0 would look like. And you have to draw a duck. So in this one you're going to have to draw some ducks. And then tell me what you think the answer would be. Alright, now walk around and look a little bit. What do you think the answer is? No? Where's your answer? No? What does it look like? You're going to start with 2 ducks. What does it look like? You put them into groups. And what will you get? But you don't have an answer here. You got your 2 ducks drawn. Now what do we do with those 2 ducks to get the answer? No? You got to put your ducks into groups. I want to see what group you put it into. You got to understand you think the answer is 1 duck. So you got to see what you're
Ducks?
Do not circle the ducks. Yeah, don't circle the ducks. You can't even make them one.
That's right. Do not circle the ducks, whatever you do. Okay, here's our duck. Okay. Stop. Red. Stop. Almost. Stop. Emily. Keen. Stop. Okay, good. Now I'm supposed to put this into groups of 0. So I'm going to start doing it. Remember how I circled up here? I'm going to circle. There's a group of 0. Okay, so I did that right. There's a group of 0. There's a group of 0. Now here's my question. When will I get done putting those 2 ducks into groups of 0?
Never.
You never get done. So this in math is called a problem that you can't finish. You can't, it drives math people crazy. You can't finish it. So the answer to this, and you're going to see this all through high school, you try to divide by 0, and the answer is U, N, D, E, F, I, N, E, E. Undefined, which means in math terms, nobody knows how to do it. It's a problem that can never be done. We're good. Okay.